So welcome guys to my YouTube channel again. So today I want to teach you how you could fund your accounts and make some good income from your accounts. Okay. The first thing to do here is to um, click on wallets. Okay, this is wallet here. This is wallets. You click on wallet. This is how to fund your CoinW account. When you click on wallet, it takes you here. Now look at this. Look at this. This is deposits. This is when you want to withdraw. This is for converting. All right, so those are the three major things we'll be looking at today. So when you want to, for instance, you want to deposit from Binance to your CoinW, or you want to deposit from OKS to your CoinW, or you want to deposit from KuCoin to your CoinW, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to click on deposits. When you click on deposits, now you see what you want to deposit, USDT. So look at USDT. If you didn't see USDT here, you search, you see USDT. So you click on USDT. Now when you click on USDT, remember use TRC20. All right, so you could just scan and do whatever you want to do. All right, so you are depositing, right? Good. Now it could be that you are depositing from, this is the USDT wallet address, so you just copy it. When you copy it, you go to your Binance and you click on withdraw in your Binance. So when you click on withdraw in your Binance, you put your wallet, and that is all. So when the money arrives, when the money comes to your CoinW, all you just need to do is to come here. The money will be in funding. Okay, I can't take you to my Binance. I believe you should know that, or rather, if you don't know how to send money from Binance to your CoinW or any other thing, I will create a special video on how you could withdraw from Binance. Okay, that is just simple. So, but look here, your money will be under funding, or you see here it's showing preview or funding, any one of them. That's where your money will be. Okay, so when your money is there, all you just need to do is to click on transfer. Now when you click on transfer, look at this place, this arrow, you change it to future. It's on spot, unless you want to trade on spot. If you want to trade on spot, then you convert from funding to spot. If you want to trade on future, you convert from funding to future. So you convert from here to future. So this is future. I've clicked on future. Now the total money in my account that I want to move to future is this. So I will just click it all. You see, it has come out. So I will click on confirm. Look at confirm here. Now when I've clicked on confirm, now I'm ready to trade. I'm free to do what? To trade. Since I'm free to trade, all I just need to do is to come to my trade, check my review, check my preview, and check everything I want to see and know what it's telling me to do. For instance, it's telling me to if for instance I want to sell, so I'll just use small money to do it. Let's say, let me use BTC. Good, this is BTC. So I want to buy, rather, let's assume I want to buy. So I will just click on buy. Now I will come here. I will just use as low as $1 for this. Okay, so I will come here, and remember what I dragged is this. Drag it, and when you are dragging, you check here or here. So when you check it, you know this is order margin, this is order margin, this is the amount you are sending to the market. So let's say I will buy. I buy at a wrong price. Now the market is going. Supposing I bought earlier, let's say when it was about 24.14 something, by now I would have made something good. Now when I have bought, I want to set my stop loss and my take profits. This is where I will click. Okay, I didn't set it initially, so I will just come here and set. You know, I'm doing this video because in the next video I'll be teaching you on how to DCA. So you click on stop loss and take profit. For instance, you want to do it at percentage. You want to use percent, you bring it to yield. sorry please, you click at this spot, see this spot, you click on it. When you click on it, it will change to this, then to give you yield, you click on yield, then you put 10%. You put 10%. Now you click confirm. Now, if I don't want that, let's just do it like this. I did not set my stop loss as I'm taking you there again. So we click there, yield 10%. Now I will come to sell, that is stop loss rather. I'll click buy yield also, which is here. I'll click buy yield, then I will put minus 10. I'll put minus 10. So I'll click confirm. Now when I click confirm, what it simply means, if the thing is going against me on this percentage, let me show you the percent. On this percentage, if it gets to minus 10, it will take me out of the market. And if it gets to plus 10, it will take me out of the market with profits. That's what it simply means. So this is a simple technique on money management. All right, so we'll do others that is needed to be done right away. So guys, just keep subscribing.